Dear student, now let us discuss few more problems related with the same thing. Okay, what is the question here? Find the indicated term in the followings. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫೈನ್ A5 ಅಂತ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ A5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ A5 ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. A5 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ put n is equal to 5 ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸಪೋಸ್ A17 ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ put n is equal to 17. A36 ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ put n is equal to 36. This is a way of finding the indicated term in the following. Let us consider the first question is an is equal to 4n minus 3. Now the indicated term is what? Indicated term is A17 and A24. A17 and A24. Have a look on this. First write down the given thing. Okay. Given ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನೋಡೋಣ. What is the given thing here? Given an. What is an here? 4n minus 3. First A17 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ A17 ಅಂದಾಗ in place of n put n is equal to 17. Put n is equal to 17. So A17 is equal to 4 into 17 minus 3. What is 4 into 17? Have a look on this. 4 into 17 is 68. 68 minus 3. What is 68 minus 3? 65. This is the A17. Now we wish to find out A24. So put n is equal to 24. Put n is equal to 24. What happens here? A24 is equal to 4 into 24 minus 3. 4 into 24, what is A? 4 into 24, that is 96. 96 minus 3, that is equal to what? 93. This is a way. ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Look at the second problem, dear student. The second problem is an is equal to n square divided by 2 power n. The indicated term is A7. Indicated term is A7. Have a look on this. First write down the given thing. What is the given here? Understand? Given an is equal to n square divided by 2 power n. Understand my point. A7 ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದರೆ A7 ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ put n is equal to 7. Put n is equal to 7. Okay, n ಗೆ 7 ಕೊಟ್ರೆ A7 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. A7 is equal to n ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. 7 square divided by 2 power 7. 7 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 49 divided by 2 power 7. What is 2 power 7? 2 power 7 is 128. So this is what? A7. Okay, now look at another problem here. The third problem is, just have a look on this. Okay, I can write here. The third problem, an is equal to minus 1 power n minus 1 into n cube. What they are asking? A9. What do you mean by A9 here? A9 is nothing but 9th term. So write down the given thing. What is the given thing here? Given is an is equal to minus 1 power n minus 1 into n cube. So to find an, put n is equal to 9. So put n is equal to 9. That become A9 is equal to minus 1 power 9 minus 1, that is 8, into n cube, nothing but 9 cube. So minus 1 power 8. 8 is an even. Negative power even is always positive. Minus 1 power 8 is 1 into 9 cube. What is 9 cube is 729. 729. 1 into 729 is 729. This is what? A9. So this is the way we are finding the indicated term from the following, right? Now we'll proceed for doing some other very beautiful and interesting problem now. Okay, right. Now find the first 5 terms. Find the first 5 terms. First 5 terms and obtain the sequence, and obtain the corresponding series. Obtain the word is that corresponding series. Okay, first ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? First find out the first 5 terms. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ? Look at the first problem. First problem ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. Look at the first problem. That is A1 ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. A1 is equal to 3. AN they are given that AN is equal to 3 AN minus 1 plus 2. The question for all n greater than 1. ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ? Find the first 5 term. What are the first 5 term? A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. 5 term ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ A1 ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಂದ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ A2, A3, A4 ಮತ್ತೆ A5 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ n ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1. ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 2, 3, 4, 5 ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ 1 ಸೇರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ? 1 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ A1. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್. The given thing is AN is equal to 3 AN minus 1 plus 2. So second term ಇಂದ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಹಾಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Put n is equal to 1. n is equal to 2 ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. A1 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. A2 that is equal to 3 into A n ಗೆ 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. 2 minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 plus 2 that is equal to 3 into A1 already know that 3 plus 2. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 3 3s are 9 plus 2 that is equal to 11. Got my point? Okay, next term ಅಂದ್ರೆ A3 n ಗೆ 3 ಕೊಡೋಣ. 3 into A 3 minus 1 that is 2 plus 2. ನೋಡಿ 3 into A2 ಬೇಕು. A2 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. What is that? 11 plus 2. ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 3 11s are 33 plus 2 is 35. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ A4 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ? A4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ n ಗೆ 4 ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ. 3 into A 4 minus 1 that become 3 plus 2 that is equal to 3 into A3 is already that 35 plus 2. So 3 into 35, what happens here? 3 into 35 that is 105 plus 2. Okay, now 105 plus 2 direct ಆಗೋಣ. 3 into 35 is 105 plus 2 that is equal to 107. Next is A5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ n ಗೆ 5 ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. 3 into A 5 minus 1 that is 4 plus 2 that is equal to 3 into A4 already know that 107 plus 2. So 3 into 107 321 plus 2 323. So ನೋಡಿ 5 terms ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. The first 5 terms are ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಂದ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ? 3, ಆಮೇಲೆ 11, 35, 107 and 323. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. obtain the corresponding series ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಡ್ ಅಪ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ corresponding series ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಆಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. 3 plus 11 plus 35 plus 107 plus 320. This is what. Got my point? So problem ಅನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay, next problem is a1 is minus 1, a1 is minus 1 and an is an minus 1, a n minus 1 divided by n. ಏನೋ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಡೋಣ, ಫಾರ್ ಆಲ್ n ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 2 ಅಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 2. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಯಾವುದು? a2, a3, a4 ಅಂಡ್ a5 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋಣ. ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಗಿವನ್ ಬರ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್? ಗಿವನ್ ಈಸ್ an ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು a n ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ n. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ a2 ಇಂದ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ. ಪುಟ್ n is equal to 2, that is a2, that is equal to a2 minus 1, that is 1 divided by n ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. what is a1? that is minus 1 by 2. so next a3 n ಗೆ 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸಾರಿ 3, yes 3 minus 1 ಏನಾಯ್ತು? 2. a2 divided by n ಗೆ 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, that is a2 ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರೆಯೋಣ? minus 1 by 2 whole divided by 3. this 2 comes down. ಒಪ್ಪುತ್ತೀರಾ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? that become minus 1 by 6. a4 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. a4 that is equal to 4 ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. a 4 minus 1 3, a3 divided by 4. a3 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ? minus 1 by 6 whole divided by 4. this 4 comes down, 6 4s are 24, minus 1 by 24. We need to find out a5. I can write a5 here. So a5, here 5 ಕೊಡೋಣ. 5 minus 1, that is 4. a4 divided by 5, that is equal to, what is a4? minus 1 by 24 divided by what? 5. so that is minus 1 by, this 24 comes down. so what you will get? 120, that is 120. This is what? a5. now how to write the first 5 terms are? What are the first 5 terms? first term is minus 1, second term is minus 1 by 2, third term is minus 1 by 6, fourth term is minus 1 by 24 and the fifth term is minus 1 by 120. now the corresponding series ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? just add up ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. minus 1 plus second term is minus 1 by 2, minus ಬಂದ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, plus third term is minus 1 by 6 plus fourth term is minus 1 by 24 plus fifth term is minus 1 by 120. this is a way. got my point? look at another problem related to this. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, now just have a look on this. another ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. so a1 is equal to a2 is equal to 2. ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. a1 is equal to a2 is equal to 2. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎರಡು 2 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. and an is equal to, what is an? an minus 1 ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. an minus 1 minus 1 for all n greater than or equal to 1 ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. for all n greater than or equal to 1. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, a1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2 ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಬರ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. given a1 is equal to 2, a2 is also equals to 2. now we wish to find out a3, a4 and a5. for that just assume that an, what is an? they are given an minus 1 minus 1. ನನಗೆ a3 ಇಂದ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. n ಗೆ 3 ಕೊಡೋಣ. a3 is equal to a3 minus 1, that is 2 minus 1. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. what is a2? a2 already know that 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. so now a4 ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. a4 ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ n ಗೆ 4 ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. that become 4 minus 1, a3 minus 1. What is A3? 1 minus 1, that is equal to 0. A5, what is A5? N ಗೆ 5 ಕೊಡೋಣ, 5 minus 1 4. A4 minus 1, what is A4? 0 minus 1, what you will get? Minus 1. Therefore sequence first 5 terms are it's a sequence. First 5 term, first term may know 2, second term may know 2, third term may know 1, fourth term is 0, fifth term is minus 1. Then need to ask the corresponding series, corresponding series. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕರಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus of what? Minus 1. The corresponding series. Got my point, right? Okay, in last one ಇದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಣ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ, ದಟ್ very important. So we'll discuss in the next segment.